What's up, guys? It's your boy Vic here today, back with another RDR2 video. And for today's video, we are doing the Poisonous Trail Treasure Map Hunt, which you can get 4 gold bars out of, which is equivalent to $2,000 in RDR2. So to find the first map for this, out of 3 maps, you would zoom in to Corinna Lake in the top left corner of the map. And as you noticed, if you zoom in, you would go over and see that there's a little shack, right? And that's where our first map is. So we're going to head there right now through fast travel. So we are near the first location, but on the way, you can stop by Lake Isabella and try to catch yourself a legendary bison, which is really hard. It's like one of the hardest legendary animals to get. But as you see, we are at Lake Karen right now. And here's the house that you will need to go to get it. And what you're going to want to do is, when you walk into this house, you will see a bed on your right, and under that bed, you'll notice a little lockbox. And if you inspect it, you would look inside, and here, boom, you can take the map for the next place. And if you recognize this place, if you open up the map, and then, here, let me get it. To treasure maps. Alright, so trail map 1. If you notice, it's like in a stump, which if you go on your map, you can, right below Lemoyne, it will show, this is where it can be located, right below the E and M of Lemoyne, which is right kind of below the E on next to the trail, which we'll show you more when we get there. But yeah, on Face Rock. So yeah, we're gonna head there now, and yeah, see you at the next location. So we have made our way over here to Face Rock, and if you zoom in where my marker is, you would exit it out of your map when you get there. And when you are there, then you would go around this little hill.
Yep.
And if you notice in the photo from earlier, it showed a stump. So when I came over here to investigate, I looked at the stump, which was next to a log on the floor, and this was it. So if you go up to this stump right here, you will notice that on the side of it, there's a little hole, and it will say search with the question mark. And inside that little stump, there is a map, Poisonous Trail Treasure Map 2. And if we look at this, it shows a little, like, rock place on top of the mountain, which we are gonna go find. For the next treasure map location, you are gonna want to head from Face Rock all the way up to Van Horn Trading Post, and to the southwest of Van Horn, you will see a little bit of like a pattern which leads into that little landmark on my left. And then where my marker is, there's a dark rocky spot, which is that's where the next map will be. We're heading there now. Alrighty, guys. So we just arrived at the third map's location, which is right here. And if I exit off my map, then you may see this little eye-shaped rock sculpture. And if you notice, there's a little hole in it. And if you search the hole, you find the third map, and a platinum spring bracelet, which, if you may see by this photo, there's a waterfall, and I know exactly where that is. I'll show you on the map. So the waterfall is at Elysian Pool, which is up here, and what it is you have to go into the waterfall and go in, and there should be treasure inside of there, as you saw the arrow was pointing in there. But if you guys don't have all 3 treasure maps, you won't be able to get the 4 golden ingots. So yeah, we'll head there now. Alright, so we are right at the Elysian Pool. We're at the waterfall. And this is really crazy, which no one would have believed this, no one would have seen this. But what you can do, ignore the guy, but what you can do is you climb up this little edge, and then you can just drop down and go into the waterfall. And it just lets you ride in, don't move anything. And if you may notice, there's some dead bats which you can take, but get out your lantern. Just so then you can see. And then there's some people bats, but you want to climb up here. And what's going to happen is you would go through the cave, which you would go down here, and then go down through this little crack down here, which is hard to see, and crouch. And then, if you may notice, there's a little passage right here that you would go through. And then you may notice that there's a second room which has a little lantern in there with some cash you can grab from here in the lockbox, which is jewelry which you can go sell. And then if you take a ride over here, right there, you're not going to go as fast, but you would go through this little tunnel area, and then it opens up. And this is a really hard part you might want to save, because you have to make a little jump, and sometimes you can die from it, but you'd have to drop down, which you can die, but you just need to drop down.
Damn, that hurt.
So you would start to come down here, and you would notice it would drop down a little. There's water here, and you'd have to climb up on this edge, which is really hard to do, trying to find the right spot. What is this? Hard little ledge that you have to get on. And if you'll notice by these rocks, it will say search. And as you know, if you search these, bada boom, top right, 4 gold bars. Now I'm gonna go sell this at the fence, so then I can get my $2,000. Wait, but I'm making it out, okay, so you'd like go up. Yeah. See you there. Alrighty guys, we're here in Van Horn Trading Post, and we are gonna go to the fence real quick. And see how much we can get. The gold bars. here. Talk to the good old man. And
Well, hello once again, mister. Have a look around, see what you might need.
we shall sell our good old
Sure, let's take a look then.
for them. And if you see, it says sell all for $2,000,
Done.
and there's $2,000 right there. So now we're at $4,294. Overall.
Well, that's nice, isn't it? You must be sad to see it leave
Overall,
the family.
this has been a good day and a good little trail treasure map hunt that you can do for $2,000 fast. And also the jewelry bag you can also sell for $50.
Thanks for your help.
So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe for more RDR2 videos. Thank you for watching.
Remember, keep always to yourself.